Hi guys, I am the captain of Bond Trader and I am from FFB March 17. He is Mr. Rahul. He is from April 13 FMB, and I am here to perform the task number 5, that is the alumni task, and I am going to ask him 2 questions. So let me start with the first one. So Rahul, tell me about one successful deal which you have done in last 1 year in your business.
Last 1 year, okay, we have launched a project in Palghar, and we were having customers walking in for the same. There's a particular client who wanted to buy a single piece of shop out there out of the 5 shops that we had on the industrial shed. Now when we spoke to him, we asked him like, why does he want to buy this particular shop? He has responded saying that he wants to gift it to his son, who is currently studying engineering in some college in Bangalore. So we asked him like, why do you want only one? Like, don't you think for future expansion should keep a multiple of at least 2 or 3? So then he asked him like, probably how much will that work out to? So it made in a total cost sheet that this much what will be the total work of it. His wife was also present with us, and he said like, okay, if we buy the entire 5 shops, will we be given the permission to name the building? So they actually wanted to name the building of their choice. So we asked them what name do they want. So she just replied saying that I want to name the building Leela Industrial Estate because her grandmother had just passed away 8 to 10 months back. So they wanted a piece of land in her grandmother's name. So we just gave the permission and they were okay with the deal, and we finalized the deal there and there itself. It was an advantage for us because now we didn't have to search for 5 individual customers. We only had 1 customer who had bought all the 5 shops from us.
So fair enough. So basically what he actually did in the successful dealing is that instead of selling just one part of an entire gala, he was managed to convince the customer to buy the entire gala, and in this way the customer and he himself was beneficial, and he made a win-win situation for both of them. Okay, so tell me something about a deal which was not really fruitful in last 1 year, something which was not that successful, and you learned something out of it.
There is one particular deal that until today we repent on it. We went to see a plot of land, and the land was good about 3.5 lakh square feet. We saw the plot, the location was good, so we made a bidding amount. So like we would be interested in buying this property for X amount of money. Because we were buying the entire 3.5 lakh square feet, we quoted a price that was reasonable enough. Yet the offer was not accepted. But the landowner said, if you are not able to buy the entire piece of land, just take a part parcel of the land, like good about 1.5 lakh square feet. But then we were like, no, we wanted to buy the entire one. We are not interested in a small piece of cake. So we said the deal did not happen, and within a span of 6 to 8 months, that property value has literally doubled. Like, this is something that we repent all our life, like we would have got a short-term gain in the span of just 6 to 8 months.
So here he's talking about a deal where his speculation went wrong, and that's where he could not make a profit which was almost 100% of the principal amount. And I think now nothing can be done, but then something we can learn about it.
Something that we can learn about from this deal is like, sometimes you should not hold on too much. Probably even if I would have just purchased a part of land out there, I would have able to have a 100% growth at least in that part of land, rather from the entire deal maybe. So that would be all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How was it?